This is a lesson on building numbers 70 through 79. Seven tens, 0 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Seven tens is called 70. This is number 70. Seven tens and 1. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71. 7 tens and 1 unit is called 71. This is number 71. 7 tens and 2. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72. 7 tens and 2 units is called 72. This is number 72. 7 tens and 3. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73. 7 tens and 3 units is called 73. This is number 73. 7 tens and 4. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. 7 tenths and 4 units is called 74. This is number 74. 7 tenths and 5. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. 7 tenths and 5 units is called 75. This is number 75. 7 tenths and 6. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. 7 tenths and 6 units is called 76. This is number 76. 7 tenths and 7. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. 7 tenths and 7 units is called 77. This is number 77. 7 tenths and 8. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. 7 tenths and 8 units is called 78. This is number 78. 7 tenths and 9. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. 7 tenths and 9 units is called 79. This is number 79. And that is a lesson on counting numbers and building them 70 to 79.